Asuntoskeittiö Männiköntie 31 Staircase B.
This is amazing. It was a very easy code to get inside here.
Yeah.
I had a good laugh because of that. The capacity is 4 birds or 320 grams. Excuse me. There's a red occupied light here. It's a bit rare.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so amazing. And it's from it was built in 1971. Probably late 1971.
Yeah.
1972. Oh, it's S71, 71 also, so it's very late 1971.
Yeah.
With 6 floors. The serial number is H25025661. This one would deserve 2 rides.
Yeah.
Rare with NP in 8, 1971.
Yeah.
That was very early. We have filmed this in Vapaala Friherst too, but it was completed in 1972.
Yeah.
This one wasn't even completed then. Here's a yellow occupied light if you want to see.
Oh yeah.
Yes. And here's it's like an original light switch.
Yeah.
I press it. It's too dark. The capacity is 4 birds or 320 grams. It's going to be inspected in next year, 2021, when it will be 50 years old and 6 floors. One I also gave steel logo as well. Maybe if this had been built in early 1971, maybe it would have received the pop-out buttons.
Yeah.
So probably it was very close to it.
Yeah.
And still the 1960s type NPN6 stop and alarm buttons.
Yeah.
Yeah, and of course they are also NPN6 type for this indicator.
Yeah.
And another idea. Then I can go to the other one.
Yeah.
I'll do a separate video since there are only 2 staircases.
Yeah.
And I hope that the same code also works in staircase A.
Yeah.
It looks like, because the same buttons are pressed.
Yeah.
But it's strange sounds from the machine room.
Yeah. Yes, tippaakin vaan pitäis mennä eteenpäin edes pahis.
It doesn't sound like that on the way down, only on the way up.
Yeah.
It sounded like it was whining, like
Yeah.
crying or something. Weird. Well, still in good shape.
Yeah.
Only this panel is scratched.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching, and that's it. The lecture.
That's